Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to equip and use sprays in Marvel Rivals. Alright, first up, go to your heroes. Now let's say, for example, we wanted to pick Captain America right here. And let's skip the cutscene. Now what we're going to do here is just go ahead over to cosmetics. Alright, now under cosmetics, go ahead and use sprays. Now in here, you should be able to see your available sprays. Alright, as you can see here, the default one is already equipped. So what we're going to do is just test it. Alright, so let's go ahead over to play. Now practice right here on practice range. Now just go ahead and pick your favorite hero, for example, Spider-Man right here. I'm going to hit on confirm. Alright, now what we're going to do here, if you're using a keyboard, just go ahead and bring up the customizable wheel, which is letter T right here. Tap and hold. And you have your spray right here. Now to be able to use it, just go ahead and go to a wall, all right, or any surface, right here, for example. All right, again, hold T, go near to a object, then hover your mouse right here to the spray and release T. That's basically how you do it. Okay, well, I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.